Good morning, YouTube. Today, January 10th, it is snowing like crazy out. I am excited. I just want to jump into the forest, get some snowboarding done. Today is my day off and it's gonna be a good day. Look at the snow. It is beautiful.
I don't even have shoes on. I just wanted to get outside in it. Look at the pretty nature.
Today's gonna be a good day. There's a lot of snow. Exactly what I was hoping for. I'd been watching the weather for pretty much the last week now since I built the ramp, and ever since we haven't really got much snow, but today it's just coming down like a mother. It's beauty. So we are here. I think we should check out to see if the ramp is still there, if no snowmobiles ran over it. I will be going up there, find some new spots. Got the whole day to ride. Got a couple hours before the sun starts to die completely. There'll be a lot of snowboarding today. So let me know in the comments if you think the ramp will be there or not. Will it be there or will it be broken?
What do we got? What do we got? Looks like we have an intact ramp. Awesome. I say that's pretty nice.
Give me a like for that ramp. I'm quite surprised that held up.
So we are going to make our way up
This hill so we can try out the ramp we built. I think it's gonna be pretty sweet. I need a lift out here. This is not easy to do one-handed.
Oh damn, that's not good.
So I just realized I brought my camera up with no bag. I don't want to just leave it up here on a tree. So you guys are gonna come with me. I don't know how that looked, but I definitely need more speed and don't want the camera in my hands. Time to ride. I think that worked out pretty good. I don't think I grabbed, but it's a good first run. Definitely will get the speed. Really snowy, it's awesome. Round two. Not bad. I want one of them. What do we got over there? Hold up. What is that? Oh, jeez.
What is that green thing?
Is that a possible rail?
No, just a piece of wood.
Since this spot here is pretty much on the way home, I think I'm gonna head up that away, see what else we can find. I will come back to this spot later on my way home. See you guys soon. So I've decided when I get to a new spot, I think I'm gonna take a little break, crack open a brew, rest it a bit, starting to get a little warm. I need to get somewhere first because I don't want to cool down and then get hot again before I ride. Loving the trees, they gather the snow. Just looks really beautiful. Just gorgeous. We're about halfway there. Got a little hill here. Instead of walking it, I'm just gonna ride it. The struggle is real. It's not easy doing bindings up with one hand. So we are here. Nice little spot. It's a little drop on this side. Hardly see it, but it is a nice little cruise down. Steep drop at the top, and then it's all rocks underneath, so you do not want to fall. I'm gonna make my way up here because I believe there should be a jump, but who knows? Everything's overgrown now. So I'm hoping there's a jump at the top, but it's not too bad either. So I guess we'll see. I'm gonna make my way up. We're at the top of the hill. Absolutely beautiful view. Look at that. Gorgeous view. My house is somewhere there. So I've done a fair bit of walking. I think I might be able to make this jump still work, depending if I want to ride in those trees. I don't think I'm going to be riding it. It is too overgrown again. But man, look at this view. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm going to set my camera down, have a drink, cool down, get to snowboarding. How come everybody has snowmobiles but me? It's not fair. I don't like walking. I'm gonna be trying out this drop here. Gonna hit this, drop down there. Hopefully it works. If it does work, I think it'll be pretty cool. Well, that didn't work out as well as I thought it would. Let's try it again. So I just found out I'm running out of storage. Last clip I got didn't save, didn't record at all. So I got to do this quick. Hopefully I get it first try. Oh, I think I got it this time. Hopefully it recorded. Let's go. We got it. It saved. I'm running out of room on my phone. I'm tired. Running up that hill a million times sucks. I guess I'll make my way back home now. Starting to get dark. I'll hit up that jump that I made. Hopefully I can get a video there. I might run out of storage on my phone though. So who knows? See you guys. So we are running out of space on my phone. I don't think I'll get room to shoot on the other jump, but that can leave it for another day. So until then, I think I'm just gonna snowboard down this hill. It's starting to get dark. That's about all I got for today. Next day I have off, I'll hit up the jump. So until then, have a good day. I will see you guys later.